Good morning, children. So yesterday we have seen beta how to represent the integers on the number line. Now let us learn how to add the integers on number line. Addition of integers. Okay, so with the help of number line, add 3 plus 4. Now see beta, both the numbers are positive. So we need positive integers. It is -1 and 0. See, arrowhead is given. That means what? Negative numbers are infinite. And we need only the positive numbers. Why? Because both the integers are positive. Therefore, their sum is also positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. See, again the arrowhead is given. Means all positive numbers are also infinite. First 3. So we will go from 0 to 3. Okay. 0 to 3. Then you have to add 4 to 8. Means you have to move or you have to jump 4 place from the 3 right side. Why right side? Because it is positive 4. So jump 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see beta, here we reached on 7. So what is the answer of 3 plus 4? Plus 3 and plus 4 is 7. Got it beta? Okay, now let us see the another example. Add -4 and 7. Second is -4 plus 7. Okay, now see beta. One integer is negative, another is positive. So we need both positive and negative integers. So again draw the number line. Zero, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, you can draw vertical number line also. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. You know beta, 0 is neither negative nor positive. So all the integers that present on the right side of 0 are positive and the integers that lies on the left side of the 0 are negative. -4. See, these are the minus integers. So first we will go from 0 to -4. So now listen children, while doing the subtraction, you have to move left side. And while doing the addition, you have to move the right side. So -4. So we will go from first 0 to -4. See, we reached here. Okay. Now plus 7. Plus means you have to move right side. So right side, how many places you have to move? 7. So from -4, you have to move or you have to jump 7 places towards right side. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So we reached on 3. So what is the answer of this? -4 plus 7 equals to plus 3. Got it beta? Okay. Now let us see the another example when both the integers are negative. And for every addition, you have to make a separate number line. So the third is -3 plus -5. Means you have to add -3 and -5. See how it is. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Again, see, arrowhead is given. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Now listen, beta. Two signs, we cannot write two signs at the same time. So plus and minus. So what will come out? -3 plus and minus will come out. Okay. Now -3. So first we go from 0 to -3. Move from 0 to -3 like this. So okay. -5, that means left side. So you have to jump left side. How many places? 5 places from the -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See beta. Okay. Here the direction of left side. Okay. So where we reached? We reached on -8. So what is the answer of this? -3 plus -5 equals to -8. Got it, beta? So in this way, you can do the addition using number lines. Okay. Now see children, we have seen how to add the integers on number line, but you can do the addition without number lines. So for that you have to follow some rules. Let A and B are the two different integers. Okay. A and B are two integers. Okay. Now both A and B are positive integers, means A plus B. When both the integers A and plus B are positive. So your answer is positive. Second, if first integer is negative and another is positive, one integer is negative and another is positive, your answer is negative. Means you have to subtract. Here not negative, you have to subtract. Subtract when first number is positive and another is negative. Now see beta, you cannot write two signs as at the same time. Okay. So you have to put the second sign or another sign in the bracket. Also here subtract and the sign of greater number. Okay. When one of the integer is negative, always you have to do the subtraction, but put the sign of greater number. When both the integers are negative, means minus A plus minus B. That time you have to add. Addition and साइन कौन सा लगाएंगे? नेगेटिव. So you have to follow these rules. When both the integers are positive, you have to add. Addition करना है and sign is of positive. When both the integers are negative, again you have to do the addition, but sign is of negative. But if one of the integer is negative, so always you have to do the subtraction, but put the sign of greater number. Got it, beta? So let's see some example on this. Three plus 5. Okay. Now see, both the integers 3 and positive are 5 are positive. So as usual, we do the subtraction of the whole numbers. We will add 3 and 5. Answer is 8. Okay, means positive 8. No need to write the positive sign before the positive number. If no sign is there, it is understood the integer is positive. And now see the second one. Minus 3 plus 5. See beta, one integer is negative, another is positive. So always you have to do the subtraction. Yes, 5 minus 3, answer is 2. Greater number is 5. See, 5 is positive. The greater number is positive. So you have to write the positive sign. Okay, means it is positive 2. Third one. 3 plus minus 5 means now the second integer is negative. So only one integer is one sign is come out. So it is plus and minus, always minus is come out. So it is minus 5. Means you have to subtract 5 from 3. You have to subtract the greater number from the smaller number. So again do the subtraction 5 minus 3, 2. But now see beta, the greater number is negative. So the answer is minus 2. Now see the fourth integer. Both the numbers are negative. Means minus 3 plus minus 5. Okay. Again, only one sign is come out, that is negative sign is come out. It means minus 3 minus 5. And the answer is, see, when both the numbers are positive, you have to do the addition. When both the integers are negative, again you have to do the addition. So answer is 8. But both negative, therefore put the sign of negative sign. That is answer is minus 8. So children, in this way you can solve the addition without using the number line. So I am giving you one question from your textbook. Write the opposite number of each of the following given numbers. Okay. And the question is, write the opposite number of each of the number given. Number, one table is given, number, and here is opposite number. And number is 47 plus 52 minus 33 minus 84 minus 21 plus 16 minus 26 and 80. Got it, beta? So you have to write the opposite of this. Okay, now see beta how to solve. 47. Now see beta, no sign is seen before this 47. That is what? Okay, the integer or the number is positive. Okay, so 47. What is the opposite of 47? It is minus 47. Plus 52. Again it is positive and the answer is minus 52. 33. Write down 33 as it is. Minus. What is the opposite of minus? It is minus 84. Opposite is plus 84. Okay. Minus 21 plus 21 plus 16. Opposite is minus 16 and minus 26 plus 26. Now see again no sign is given in before 80. So it is understood 80 is positive. Means it is plus 80. And the opposite of plus 80 is minus 80. Got it, beta? How to find the opposite of this? Okay. So bye-bye children.